Hi and welcome to Nick Trains. This is my rake of BTPN tanker that I have scratch built. So still it needs several detailing parts. Some of them are complete. So like for example this is complete with its ladder and most of the underside details along with the white brake wheel. Some of the tankers I am yet to add the ladders. And some of them are complete. So let's have a before going to the next step. I want to do a perform a rolling test because otherwise this tankers may not work on the curves and the sharper curves and the turnouts. So it's very important to conduct a rolling test, otherwise all of the efforts would go waste. Now let's see the rake in reverse direction. Some still photos of the BTPN tanker rake. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and watch other Next Trains videos. Thanks for watching Next Trains.